Hello friends, subscribe Technology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make Windows 10 full screen on your virtual machine. So as you can see, I have already installed Windows 10 on my virtual machine, and if I'll go to the view option and then go to the full screen mode, it's not showing proper full screen mode. So in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So you have to go to first in your this devices tab over there and click on insert guest audition CD image, and now you'll get one pop-up on your Windows 10 computer. So as you can see, here's a pop-up CD drive. So now you have to go to your my computer from here, click on this PC, and then right click on this CD drive, new CD drive, and click on install and run program from your media. Also you can double click over there, and now you'll get this pop-up. So you have to click on yes. Now click on install. So after that you need to click on finish button. It will automatically reboot your computer, means restart your computer. So it's restarting, as you can see. So you have to wait for a few minutes. So after done, as you can see, it's showing on full screen mode. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, that comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.